Innovatics Automation is a YouTube channel that aims to bring together the fascinating fields of innovation, robotics, and automation. The channel's primary focus is on engineering projects, coding for robotics and embedded systems, and providing short-term training courses in various technological areas such as automation, robotics, embedded systems, and coding. The channel offers a diverse range of content to cater to tech enthusiasts, engineering students, and anyone interested in exploring the world of technology and automation. By covering engineering projects, viewers get insights into the practical application of technology, showcasing how innovative ideas are brought to life. This can inspire creativity and encourage individuals to explore their own ideas in the realm of technology. The coding aspect of the channel emphasizes programming skills related to robotics and embedded systems. This is crucial in modern automation, where software plays a significant role in controlling and managing automated processes. Viewers can learn different programming languages, techniques, and algorithms that are relevant to the field of robotics and automation. In addition to the educational content, Innovatics Automation also offers short-term training courses. These courses likely provide hands-on experience, enabling individuals to develop practical skills in automation, robotics, embedded systems, and coding. Such courses can be beneficial for those looking to enter the field professionally or enhance their existing expertise. Engineering students, in particular, can benefit from the channel as it provides project reports. These reports can serve as valuable resources for academic projects and research, helping students gain insights into different engineering concepts, implementations, and applications. By encouraging viewers to subscribe, Innovatics Automation aims to build a community of like-minded individuals who share a passion for technology and automation. Being part of this community can provide opportunities for networking, knowledge sharing, and collaboration on innovative projects. Overall, Innovatics Automation strives to be an exciting and educational platform, inspiring individuals to engage with technology, fostering creativity, and empowering them to contribute to shaping the future through robotics, automation, and innovation. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon to get latest updates.